Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. I've been making many different homemade seasonings and blends like Italian, herbe de Provence, fish seasoning, Creole, taco seasoning, etc. It's actually a great way to use up your spices so you can recycle them faster. Now, here's another amazing one to add to the list. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a mixing bowl, we'll add garlic powder, brown sugar, but it can be substituted with coconut sugar. Then cayenne pepper, some onion powder, ground Himalayan sea salt, ground thyme. Now, can you use dry leaves instead? Yes, but if you'll be using it as a rub, ground is definitely better. We'll also add ground ginger, ground allspice, also known as Jamaican pepper, then smoked paprika, a little bit of freshly ground black pepper, some heat with red pepper flakes, followed by ground nutmeg, a tiny amount of ground cinnamon, and the same with ground cloves. We'll give a good whisk until the ingredients are well blended before transferring to an airtight container.
As you saw in this video, it's very easy to make and it will definitely enhance your recipes. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time my friends, bon appétit!